This is day 2 of the National Chaplains work session. As planned, we started yesterday at Umlazi with the church service, and today we are dwelling much on our operational issues. We had to start by taking stock in terms of our performance on the APP as well as the AOP, and that went very well today on the first day, because we said, no, let's tackle administrative issues on the first day while we're still fresh. And then going forward, we are going to have various speakers who will be addressing us on gender-based violence, on employee assistance program. We'll also have some team building during the course of the week. We are also going to tackle restorative justice issues, all the processes of VOD and VOM. We have got a doctor from the University of KwaZulu-Natal will be addressing us on that. We will also have a speaker on gender-based violence and femicide, as well as Statistics SA giving us stats on GBV and F issues. So for us as the chaplains, it's quite important that every year we meet as chaplains in DCS to dissect our issues and come up with new initiatives in terms of how we operate at management area level. So we are also ensuring uniformity and addressing the gaps that we also pick up during the monitoring and evaluation visits. So this session is of critical importance to us in terms of teamwork and ensuring that we are also consistent in terms of our performance on an annual basis. But in terms of our performance, it's on an upward trajectory over the past years. The trend speaks for itself, but we have then to maintain that kind of performance. That's the reason why we deem this session so important for the chaplains on an annual basis to sit down and take stock of what is happening.
One love, one heart, let's get together and praise the Lord.